Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's do another wonderful style today. On my hand is 4 layers of ashoke fabric. Yes. So placing it on my head, the division is 20/80. Alright, one side is very short while the other side is long. So placing it on my head this way, I started taking my plates. I took about 3 plates, then arrange it. The plates might not really show very well because of the fabric I am using already have lines on it. If it is a plain material now, that split will be very outstanding. Alright, so taking everything to the back now, I twisted it. That shorter part goes up first, then I twisted it down. Wash my hand closely, then I tuck it in, thereby making that head wrap to be very firm on my head. Now we are going to work with this longer part. Wash my hand closely. I pleated it. Wash closely. I pleated it. As I pleat, I use the other hand to hold it. Remember, you're doing it all by yourself. Nobody is holding anything for you. So raising it up this way, wash my hand closely. I continue the pleat. Wash, I continue the pleat. Wash my hand closely. I continue the pleat. Then I am going to raise it up this way and place it on top that pleated side, as if I am taking everything back again. Look at it. As I raise it up, I place it on that pleated type. Alright, then I'm going to use rubber band. Watch closely. I'm going to use rubber band to hold it there. I'm picking my rubber band now. I fasten that side together. Wash. Then I took a little bit, just the last one, then pin it down to the base of that head wrap. Watch closely so that that particular side, that line, that pleated part will be very firm on the base. So I raise this other side up, then I arrange it, use my office pin and pin both edges. We are done tying. It's just to arrange it. So if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Entertainment on Facebook and Demi Igele Empire on YouTube. So please do well, don't just watch and walk away. Do well to drop your like and your comments on the comment section. Please don't forget to follow. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook. Let's learn head wrap together. Alright, so you can see how beautiful and elegant that is. Now removing this pin, watch closely. I remove that pin from the edge. Then now I'm going to pin it down from the base, from the middle, because this side now my hand is, I want to rotate it. So watch closely. Before it was just by the side, but now I will bring that folded part in the middle. So taking the two edges now, I pin them down separately. While this part now, I'm going to rotate it. I use it to form a little rose. You can see, just use it to form a little rose there. So we have 2-in-1 on this particular head wrap. You can see our head wrap is beautifully and elegantly ready. So you can decorate it further using your hair accessory. You're good to go, cool to go. So don't forget to drop your like and your comments. See you in my next video.